I'm going to show you how to make a Back Bay Balm. We're going to start off with some ice, pour that into a glass, just about halfway full, and then we're going to add in an ounce of gin. Any brand will do, so just choose your favorite. To that, we're going to add just a couple of splashes of orange bitters, just like so, a good squeeze of lime juice, and I've already had a couple of these, sorry. About 2 ounces or a 2 count of cranberry juice. All right, shake this up. And we're going to pour this into a highball glass, just like so. Then we're going to top this off with club soda. And this is going to give it a nice effervescence. It's going to be refreshing, and you get a nice separation of color here as well. It's really pretty. Go ahead and add in your stirry straw, and if you would like, you can garnish that with a cherry. And there you have it, a Back Bay Balm. Cheers.